In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the attribute command in Minecraft 1.21. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can use the attribute command in Minecraft 1.21. So as you can see at the top left corner of the screen, I am playing on version 1.21.1. I am using Fabric, but don't worry, even if you are doing this without the usage of any mods, you will be able to use the attribute command. So the way that the attribute command works is that it is going to allow you to change certain properties of mobs, armor stands, and players. So you can change the value of certain attributes and they will have modifiers to adjust the strength of those effects. So go ahead, type /attribute, and then you can choose which entity it is going to be applied to. If you want to apply it to yourself, you can type @p or type your username, and immediately all of the attributes are going to appear. So there are a bunch of attributes. In this video, I'm going to give you a basic overview on how to use the command, but I'm not going to go super in depth about how to use all of them and how to attribute modifiers to items. These require a little bit more time, but you can still grasp the fundamentals of how to use them. So as you can see, you can choose one of these. So let's say, for example, attack speed. Then after you choose the modifier, you can type space, and then you can choose between base, get, and modifier. If you want to change the value, type base. Oops, sorry, I closed it down. So I'm going to do it again, base speed. Then you type base, set, and then the value. So if you want to change the value, this is how the command is going to look. Base, set, and then you can type it here. So now if I attack, you can clearly see that there is no cooldown. There is no longer the icon on the screen that gives me a cooldown after each attack, so I'm able to attack super fast. Here is another example, Minecraft generic gravity, and if I set it to 100 and I jump, you can clearly notice that I'm being pushed into the ground immediately. This is because my gravity is super strong. So as long as I'm not flying, I'll be sent back to the ground with a lot of force. You can do this with all sorts of attributes, so browse through the list and change any of them that you see here. One of the coolest ones is changing the scale. So as you can see, if I change the scale, I'm actually going to be a giant. This is how it looks, and it is going to work for version 1.21. Now, before I end this video, something that I want to highlight is that, according to the channel metrics, 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality solutions and videos related to Minecraft or any other game. So consider subscribing. I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.